and prosperity. To make this occasion a blessed one, I now welcome Netraman and Karthik sir to kindly invoke Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom.
Face challenges head-on. Members of this house embody bravery, resilience, and the determination to overcome obstacles, inspiring us all to act with valor and strength. Service House, dedicated to the spirit of giving to community, Service House symbolizes selflessness and compassion. Its members are committed to serving others, showing empathy, and making a positive impact through their actions. They remind us that true leadership is rooted in the desire to help and uplift those around us. Honor House, upholding the highest standards of integrity and respect, Honor House is the embodiment of moral excellence. Members of this house strive to act with honesty, fairness, and dignity in all their endeavors. They lead by example, demonstrating that honor is not just a value but a way of life. Loyalty House, emphasizing the importance of steadfastness and fidelity, Loyalty House celebrates commitment and trust. Its members are dedicated and reliable, fostering strong bonds of friendship and unity. They teach us the significance of being true to our word and loyal to our principles and community. As we induct the new members into these distinguished houses, let us remember that each house represents qualities that are essential for personal growth and the betterment of our society. May the spirit of courage, service, honor, and loyalty inspire us all to strive for excellence and to support one another in our shared journey. Congratulations to all the new inductees. Welcome to the legacy of greatness that these houses represent. Together, we build a brighter and more united future. Thank you.
Call out top boy. You know already who is top boy? Yes. Now this year top boy goes to Pratyush G. Rao. Please Netraman come and give badge. Next, this year, sports captain is Likith R. Gowda. Next, this year, sports captain girl, Akamsha. No, this year. Clap children, again claps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Don't shout. Be quiet. You have to clap. No shouting. Next. Premaman, please come with your badge. Yes, Vishnupriya. Shweta ma'am. Nabi sir.
One and all. So now I want all the house captains to please put forward your right hand and repeat after me. Only the house captain, am I vice captains as well, not the children sitting down. Am I clear? Yes. I promise to collaboratively, repeat after me. I promise to work collaboratively with my peers
our school. I'm humbled by the trust you have placed in me, and I'm committed to serving each and every one of you to the best of my abilities. As we embark on this journey together, let us remember the importance of unity, respect, and integrity. Let us strive for excellence in everything we do, whether it's academics, sports, or extracurricular activities. Together we can create a positive and inclusive environment where every student feels valued and supported. I encourage each of you to voice your ideas and concerns, as your feedbacks are crucial in shaping our school's community. Let us work hand in hand to make our school a place where everyone can thrive and succeed. Thank you for this incredible opportunity. I look forward to working with all of you and making this academic year the one to remember. Thank you.
Yes, Nisha, we would love to hear from you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm deeply honored to stand before you as the head girl of our esteemed school. This role comes with great responsibility, but it is one that I embrace wholeheartedly. As head girl, I'm here to serve as a voice for all of us, to champion our ideas and to foster a spirit of unity and excellence within our school community. Together, we have the power to create positive change and make a lasting impact on our school's legacy. Let us strive for inclusivity, kindness, and
you have on your shoulders is a huge responsibility. I know you are so excited right now that you're not able to fathom how huge it is. but it's a huge responsibility, so I want to congratulate each one of you from the bottom of my heart. And I look forward to working with you very closely on any matter. So feel free to approach me on anything. A lot is riding on your shoulders. You are our brand ambassadors, not just for the school, but also outside. So keep that in mind, work hard, party hard, and have a good life. All the best, and we're always here to support you, okay? Congratulations again.
Santosh S, a alumni of the Home School 2021-22 batch, has secured 96.4% in PU board and scored 700 points out of 720 in NEET and has secured 2100th rank all over India. A hearty congratulations to Santosh from the Home School team and management.